How are we? For now, I want to talk to you about a 0 views glitch on TikTok. So just for your info, I've popped some timestamps below, so if you prefer to skip to a different part, I prefer you wouldn't. Right, I don't want to be that creator that gives you a title and then doesn't deliver until the end of the content. So let's get straight into that 0 views TikTok glitch. What? Hang on a minute, you advised me to do that on my channel. Here we go again. I never butt into your videos. This is 2 weeks in a row now, and I apologise. However, I've just recorded some content, as you know, and you told me to hook them after 3 seconds and leave something juicy to the end of the show so it keeps them on the video for the whole time. Yeah, and for your channel, it's probably worth it. He's got a football related channel, soccer channel. I'll pop the links below. So if I say to these, hang around to the end and you can listen to me chat. Chat about what? Your channel's got a focus. Mine hasn't. So why don't you leave me in peace and let me get on with my recording? I told them I wouldn't be disrupted. I told them I'd get straight onto this, and now you've just got proper in the way. Apologies. Let's get back into this 0 views TikTok glitch. Right, now he's gone. I recorded this bit of content here for TikTok with my little girl. I saw it done on Dean Nimmins' channel, and I thought to myself, right, I can do that. So out came the cameras, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and boom, 4 hours later, probably the best bit of content I've done so far. Certainly the best bit of content I've done for my infant TikTok channel. So for those of you that aren't aware, when something goes live on TikTok, you usually get a few views, even if it's just 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever it is. It's a few views. You never get 0 views. Even your view counts as 1. So when this video went up and I was expecting quite a few views, when I say quite a few, I'm talking 100, 200, 300, that's kind of what my posts get. And it got 0. I started to ask questions and I thought, I'm gonna need to look into this, what's going on. So I read about shadow banning, and shadow banning on TikTok, I think it can happen on Instagram as well. So I think it's when TikTok's algorithm stops feeding people your posts or a particular bit of content. So with your own view counting as 1, why has this happened? Some of the other videos were getting a bit of traction, so I thought, well, I need to check this out. I need to find out exactly what's going on. So when you are shadow banned, I don't think you're told. I think you just realise because you get these 0 views on your accounts every now and again. I've heard that it happens to big TikTokers. I've heard that it happens to big TikTok accounts, people with thousands of views and millions of views, and then they can all of a sudden go down to 0. Anyway, I've done a little bit of research, and it seems because I didn't use the TikTok app to record and edit, I used Premiere Pro and Photoshop and then uploaded the video. That could be the problem because they don't think it's my content. And that is where you have a situation where you can get 0 views, or this has happened to me in my experience, and I just wanted to share that with you. But what I don't understand is if TikTok have got an option where you can upload a video and upload something that's separate to being recorded in their app, why is this happening? I think I'm just going to wait and see how this one plays out, see if I get a bit of traction on it. As it stands of today, 3 days uploaded, it's got 3 views. I think it's pretty good. It's probably the best, as I said, that I've done so far. So if you're watching this, pop on and go and have a look at it and see if you can get my views up. Now, as far as my channel's concerned, I've not niched down yet. I don't even know if I ever will. I haven't got Matty's knowledge of camera gear. I haven't got Danny Black's knowledge of GoPros. I haven't got Peter McKinnon's personality. I haven't got Peter Lindgren's appeal or Casey's living style. I don't live in New York yet, but I do really, really enjoy making content. And I've heard from loads of people, and I've watched loads of people, that Icelandic guy, go and watch him if you haven't seen him. Google him on YouTube, search him on YouTube and search on TikTok, that Icelandic guy. He mentions about how Peter McKinnon has the, what's up everybody? And Peter Lindgren, he's got his own style, especially finishing off with his cap and his Swedish accent, which is very much an appeal. And you know what? Everyone's got something, and that Icelandic guy, he reckons, have something for yourself, have something. So how are we? Not how are we? How are we? How are we? Is going to be mine. Whether that's the right thing to do or not, I'm not too sure, but I'm going to get involved and I'm going to do this. Now, I've got this thing that when I talk to the camera, I feel like I can actually probably be myself and just talk because I've got no one in the room and I'm just talking to myself. But obviously I'm not, I'm talking to you guys and I'm talking to whoever's watching this or whoever does watch this in the future. But when recording, it doesn't feel like you potentially could record and deliver to anyone and everyone in the world. Chances are this video is probably going to get about 100 views, but it doesn't feel like I'm delivering to 100 people. So I'm happy to be who I want to be. I've reached the stage in life where I really don't care what people think, and I just want to enjoy myself on this platform while I've got the opportunity. So I will carry on creating content, and I will push it and push it and push it and see where it goes. So if you want to follow my journey and you want to stay with me and subscribe to my channel, I would be absolutely buzzing for you to do that. I'm just about to finish uni. I'm just about to graduate at the age of 48. The family have got some really cool plans. We don't know where we're going to be living. We don't know whether we're going to be moving house, moving from this country. We live in the UK at the moment. So if you want to follow and want to see the type of things I start creating or copying on this channel, then please subscribe to the channel. Whack the like button, which is not actually a button anymore, it's just obviously a thumbs up and you need to press it or something. So whack the like button and I'll see you all soon. When you're going to realise you've got 67 subs and what you've just done is probably going to lose people, not gain subscribers. Why don't you do some of them camera tricks that you're good at? Like now, for instance, I'm still in the mirror, but I've gone. I'll help you get some content going. Why don't you ask people to put some comments below if they want a tutorial on how you did that with your daughter, my daughter. Yeah, but you're not helping matters, are you? Why don't you get back on the training pitch and start influencing people and keep off my channel? You're everywhere at the moment. Now I know how these Facebook pages must feel when you post all the time.